Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing? I hope all is well with you. Yes, I just want to quickly share this with us. Yesterday, Fallback Republic decided to, take their madness and another level. You know that this competition between Fallback and CRC, claiming that BLA, Biafran Liberation Army, that they are with them. Okay, that some of them, one of them will say that Butuzor is our man, Butuzor boys, and everybody is with us. The other one will say no, they are with us. That is CRC conflict conflict resolution committee. They that later claimed to be a country. They're actually the one that gave birth to Fallback Republic. I don't know who is senior brother and who is junior brother now, because both of them are just fake is fake though. So, but both of them are dragging who is in control of BLA and who is not. So that has been an issue for a very long time. So it happened that success, the man that contacted Prince Will after declaration and told Prince Will that no, we have to abandon USB government. We don't know anything about the USB government. That the same man is the one that is doing doing all he can to resuscitate Nkere. Okay, and when you talk about the division in BLA and what happened after declaration, everything, we cannot talk about this mess without mentioning success. There's no way you will discuss it without mentioning success. In as much as we don't want to talk about BLA here, I don't talk about Biafran Liberation Army. I don't get myself involved in that. I've been dodging it since day one, and I'm still dodging it though. But this one is the one in public, so I don't have any reason to shy away from that. And just like some of us are not comfortable that Kai report is not talking about this, he's not talking about this person, he's not talking about the other person. One thing they need to understand is that we are different in so many things. My reaction and your reaction may not be the same. There's a way I do my things, something that I know that that does not worth talking about, I don't talk about it. Some of you may be like, you can agree with me that something that you want me to talk, I don't talk about it, right? And some you don't expect me to talk, I do talk about it. I understand that what matters to me may not be to what matters to you. I can only talk about something when I knew that thing somehow is misleading a lot of people, and a lot of people tend to believe that thing. Then I may talk about it. It doesn't matter your value. I may decide to talk about it. But the only thing I want us to focus on here is what is in the public domain. So don't expect me to come here and start talking about what Butuzor did, what a commander said. Commander, I don't have to. But in general terms, their decision is questionable. What they are doing now is what I can't even tell you, point one thing that they are doing, right? But that's a story for another day. So success is the guy who called Prince Will. Prince Will is the one in charge of people in the Bakassi Peninsula, and that is the Biafran National League. Okay, he's the one in charge of them. Who later said that they are quitting from Bakassi. They are no longer in Bakassi, and that he made it public, and people called him. Calls him name and all that. What happened? We have been talking about the encounter that Prince will reveal to Biafrans, his encounter with success. So we knew what happened. We understand difference between them and BLA. But the only thing I want you to know is that success is the one that deceived. He's the one that deceived Prince Will, the National League leader. He's the one that deceived him, and he's the one that have been deceiving BLA. A lot of almost all the misunderstanding that happened and everything centered with success. So yesterday, success appeared in Nkere Nkere town hall meeting with Indioga Warren and Donama Warren. So he decided to, I don't know how he managed to, deceive some people that we will expect to know better. Although 99.9% of them now are those that have questionable character from A to Z. Okay, I've been saying this. I'm gonna continue saying that because that's what it is. Now here is the post that Sonabara made. General Igwe Butuzor CDS, okay, live in African Town Hall meeting for the first time in history to encourage brigade on Biafran independence. He said for the fourth time in history, for the first time in history. And they're celebrating it. Remember, they have been telling you that he's with us, he's not with us. We are this, No, I don't think anybody actually bother where Butuzor is and where Butuzor is not, like who is support, who is not supporting. Since he made it clear that he's against Biafran declared. Not me saying that, he said it in the audio that trend, where he said that he's not, that Ngozi don't know me, I don't know Ngozi is one passion. Remember that famous video? Famous voice note. You remember that? You remember that, right? And after saying that, Mazakwa grabbed the mic and began to he said all manner of nonsensical things simply because he believed that they are now with the CRC. The recent AI audio that they published, not even audio, I think that is yes, audio of PM, but somehow the video of them themselves. All right, and in that video, if you watch the original one, not some, because some of us started cutting and joining, putting PM video of the past, joining with the recent one. So everyone have their way of doing that. I'm my own to tell you the truth. That AI they brought about PM, say PM met them in the meeting and all that. It is very, very obvious. If you watch it, you understand that not only that they say PM appeared there, that even Gentle appeared there as well, according to them. And Gentle on camera video and all that. I'm not saying that Gentle is AI or not. I don't know, because once AI is always AI. So they brought that one out, and Gentle, according to them, appeared there, and Butuzor was talking in the background as well. Listen, this is just a few weeks ago. It's up to a month. I think maybe a month plus now, but it's not up to 2 months, right? So in that audio, in that video, they claim that PM was there, Butuzor was there, Gentle was there. That is what they claimed. And Biafrans watched it, but everybody centered, his or her reaction on PM audio. Nobody talked about Gentle. Remember, Gentle, they said, was sick because of the poison food and all that, and he was receiving treatment. Then according to Nigerian media, that the people that were treating him leaked his whereabouts, and army went there to buy him part. They claimed they bought him. Now CRC said that Gentle appeared. Now when Gentle appeared in the midst, that PM also appeared and Butuzor appeared. Today, after some weeks now, Butuzor appeared, Nkere. So honestly, once you harbor criminality, expect everything to be upside down. So Butuzor is now with Mazakwa and CRC department, and Butuzor is now with Nkere, Fallback Republic. That is what they are dragging his presence. So from my own angle, I think it's something very, very nice that USB government is not involved in this minutes. Like, it is very clear that Butuzor is not with USB government. He's no longer in news. We all know this, and nobody is gonna, body shame anybody. Oh, where's your army? Where's your army? On 29th of November, USB government, presented to you their, the army of USB government and the commander, which some of them say, oh, he's a bag. The video that we played yesterday was also Biafran USB government, USB army, Biafran Liberation Army, or USB from USB, showing you what the Biafran Nigerian army are doing in homeland. I can't remember when last did you see any other video from me from other when last. In life, it's always good for you to stand on the side of the truth. Do something that is good so that you will be remembered with that thing. To do bad thing is one of the easiest things to do. Most of us know how to break, glass though. Some of us know how to smash any glass, can use stone and smash it. But do you know that if they ask to come, put that glass together again, form it the way it was, maybe none of us may have access to, may know how to do that, right? That's what it is. To do bad is very, very easy, but to put it together, to do good thing, is most of us struggle to do it. What am I trying to say? The moment BLA, Biafran Liberation Army, begin to, dodge their responsibilities simply because they don't want to work with Ngozi and all that, everything is scattered. Okay? And the things have not remained the same. We are going to listen to the audio, what Butuzor said when he appeared and everything. To some of us, maybe AI. Okay? To some of us, maybe it's real. I'm not here to tell you that it's AI or not. Okay? Because some of us, the way we reason differs. So I would like you to listen to the conversation. So let's start from the beginning.
Good evening, fellow Biafrans. I'm coming at you, right? All right. Good evening, our acting Prime Minister, His Excellency Butuzor, Nkere, and good evening, my Minister of Information and Communication, Honorable Sonia Korawa, and fellow Biafrans, all of you, all reps, continental reps, and all country administrators in Biafran federal government, all state administrators, and all office holders in the Biafran Central Executive Council.
Just pay attention.
And, I greet all Biafran Defense Forces, wherever they are listening from. My name is Success, the Joint Chief of the Biafran Defense Forces, Chairman, and I also want to encourage all of you to continue.
Sorry to pause this. These are brothers. All of them, especially those Fallback Republic, the level of their criminality is second to none. I'm being honest. Do you know that this is the same guy they told us that is a PM personal assistant? He's not giving this. He's trying to remember his title. In fact, I'm going to take it back again. I am Chairman Tafos Chairman of your title. Listen.
Continental reps and all country administrators in Biafran federal government, all state administrators, and all office holders in the Biafran Central Executive Council, and I greet all Biafran Defense Forces wherever they are listening from. My name is Success, the Joint Chief of the Biafran Defense Forces, Chairman, and I also
Chief Joint of Chief Joint for Biafran Defense Forces. Just a couple of months ago, this guy was introduced as a personal PA to PM when they were dragging BLA. Oh, how can Ngozi sack PA? The PA or personal assistant to Biafran Prime Minister. Now he's Chief Joint of
I want to encourage all of you to continue doing whatever you know best to do to defend our motherland. And our commanders are intact. Our general is intact. He is very healthy and healthy, and he wishes to say hello to you tonight. That is one of the biggest news I will bring to you. That on the line, Triple General Butuzor is on the line. So please, can you hear him as he speaks? General, wow. Please,
Okay, asking kind of opportunity I can get you go Butuzor, the triple general, or you see a share at Ala Biafra. So, Biafra, some kind of opportunity I can upon a number of and I took one in the one and I contribution on I didn't do it as a public Biafra. As my population, I would support. Majo Kurati. As a Ekela Akaburabasha, Onkaki war also, Ekela Kudamono. Come Africa, and a bit so that the Gala will get the Israel Island. I don't want to go for the mall to come my answer with Yagavanaya and the Yagala should have Ryan. I had a Panama. Your commanders, Biafra. I am glad about the night. How to pull up my boy, Corona. But an hour program is there. So Cassim Kanga was a Calagua. Don't have the social one of the number and I'm going to Lava. Yamana. Care. And I want to be a first bill.
General. Yeah. Wherever you are, this is the voice of our Triple General, the chief of defense staff of the Biafran Defense Forces, both land, air, and sea. So he covers everything. So this is his voice, and he's encouraging every one of you to triple whatever. He's a triple general. He's not a double general. He's a triple general. He's telling all of you to triple whatever effort. So this is a language spoken in Africa. General.
Thank you very much for your sacrifice. All you're doing for Biafra.
All right.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Our very own Mazi Success. We appreciate you for tuning in tonight and, of course, bringing along our Triple General, Butuzor. And the message has been passed to every Biafran. It's not just giving, but giving your all is what he is asking for. They are ready, they are there, and they are standing with us. But we have to increase our giving and see and watch what can be our blessing.
I can't, honestly, I'm trying to stop laughing. Okay, you see, this is okay, people. You guys are very, very funny. Triple general, and you have to triple what you give. You know, thank God that the triple general is alive. It's good to hear his voice, if I thought that is real, because AI can do and don't do. I don't bother whether it's AI or not, because one thing I like about Butuzor is that he made it clear that he don't want to go to USB. Like, he made it clear that he's no longer interested in working with USB, not to deceive people. He made it clear that he don't want. So whether he's in fallback, whether he's in far right, in forefront, fall down, fall upside down, fall deep, I think nobody should bother. It is his choice to live his life. My own is day your day, I day my day. You know, that kind of thing. People say that you need to come together. You need to come together to achieve Biafra. I don't believe everybody must come together, and I will tell you why. The same way I don't believe Nigeria should come together as a country, the same way I don't believe that some of us that have different ideology should come together. If your ideology is to start fighting from from down, and mine is to go forward where I am. I have to keep going forward. I think we don't have the same ideology. So, in summary, what they are trying to do here is to resuscitate their fund, like, because I believe that there something is must be going on financially that made them to go back now to bring or to persuade Butuzor to come, if at all is real Butuzor, because they have done this in the past. But I think the people that are championing this AI, maybe Nkere and their group, maybe they have learned from Imam Adab. When they were together, they have brought out AI in the past of Butuzor in the past, which Butuzor later declared not, that is not him. But why I said that maybe people that in CRC create the madness are those that are championing the AI. But let's say they now have another group of people in Nkere and doing the same AI. But AI is known for Imam Adab. Imam Adab is known for AI rather. So maybe the Sonak Barawa and they have graduated to their own AI. But whether it's AI or not, should we bother? I don't think so. You understand? I don't think so. Why? Because the man in question, in his red self, said that he don't want to work with HB government. He declined, and he want to work with you. But I'm surprised that his voice is being heard in CRC and now he's not in Nkere. I don't know. It's not my problem to think about it, but I am kind of concerned somehow. Why must it be like that? You need to stand one place so that people will know, what you are doing, so that people will not misunderstand you, that you're actually following anybody that has money. Maybe CRC, they're no longer with money, and you are now coming back to Nkere Fallback. That's what I'm thinking, because everybody may think like that. How can we just hear your voice a few weeks ago from CRC and now your voice being heard in Nkere? If it's AI, you are still alive. You need to talk. Use your own little media or big media, anyhow, and post it. After all, Madam Masoka is there. You can just drop a voice note to her. She will play it. Of course, people like us independent media will grab it and publicize it. That look, Butuzor is not with these people. That kind of thing. Distance yourself from that kind of this kind of people, because some of them just want to blackmail you to give you bad name. So I think you need to think towards that. Unless if truly you are the one that talking here and talking there, in space of how many? It's not even up to 2 months. Over 30 now. Over 30. And to tell you that these people, Fallback Republic, they stage manage this voice very, very well, whether it's real or fake. The purpose is not even for you to know that Butuzor is with them, but for you to start donating money to them that Butuzor is here. Butuzor is here, right? That's why Success said that he's in charge of air, water, and land, and everywhere in Biafra land. Not me saying that. Success said it here, right? And the guy that you are going to hear, in fact, you have started hearing him, says something that you should triple your money. Let's continue.
We need to rise up as Biafrans all over the world. You don't have to wait for a town hall meeting to do your donations.
So it's all about this thing. All this thing is about donation. It's about donation. So they will make it look like Butuzor is with them. Whether it's with them or not, I don't know, because they have been looking for a way to show their strength. Remember after the famous press release of Sonak Barawa, where the Kajok PM called PM a betrayer and all that, the PM is trying to, Dangote is down, PM is trying to resurrect her, which I don't know who is. So imagine somebody who is already in the grave, not in grave, I like death. I'm talking about who is already in the pit. Okay, let me use the word pit, not grave, please. I don't wish anybody death. Who's already in the pit or in the hole, trying to mock another person who is standing up, moving and jumping, running, that the person is down. Don't you think that the person is actually foolish? Because you are not even in the surface, you are down below the pit, you understand? And you are trying to mock somebody who can move and run and do other things, whereas you yourself are being tied in one pit and like that. It doesn't make sense. So let's continue though.
You don't need to wait for Saturday for our fundraisings or our support to do your donations. You need to do it
The same way they have after the memo, they try to go back after they insulted PM and COS and Biafran at large. They try to go back again to remind you that look, oh, we are the one trying to buy, we are buying lawyer for Mazen Namodikan. They started publicizing Mazen. Why I don't write on it, because I don't want to sound like if I hate anybody that is talking about Mazen Namodikan release. You understand? So I just ignore them. But now that Mazen Namodikan have been sentenced, they started putting PM in the write-up again. They cannot do without Mazen Namodikan's name, PM's name, and Butuzor name. That is just a fact, because Nkere know, like many of us do know, that his own is to distract Biafrans, recruiting people and deceiving those who, because from media to his cabinet members are on payroll. If you doubt me, ask him what is he doing with the money. And he's APM and financial minister for a reason. Only Mumu people will not reason in that side. USB government, you have finance minister and you have CRC as a leader. But in Fallback Republic, he is one paying people. He's one going to have handshake in Washington. He's one receiving money. He's one leading you as APM. Your own is to come and join. And if you are very good in talking, if you have voice, you'll be listed in their payroll. You'll be receiving salary. Why others? You don't understand. Let's continue.
Simultaneously, without anybody asking you, give that will cost you something to God, because as you're giving to God. Where I stay here in SA, I live.
You are giving to Fallback Republic. It means that you are giving to God. Don't we talk about now?
Very close to the Jewish community. Every day they are there discussing on how to protect their motherland, which is the Israeli, the Israel country. But here we are at Biafra. Many of us today have gone for town hall meetings, or should I say, not even town hall meetings.
The foolishness of some of our people is that this guy just gave you a very important example of what you should even open your eyes in the midst of this Fallback Republic. He talked about Jewish community discussion on how Israel protect themselves against their external and internal enemies. As Nkere 1 year plus now, how are you protecting Biafra? And mention you don't even have anybody in their name. Nobody whatsoever. Nothing. Just they don't. If you doubt me, maybe bring a video of just Nigerian army maybe destroying property in Biafra land, or and put it maybe burning something, and then put it BLA chasing zoo army, something like that. So now Barawa and the group will post it that the airborne men at work. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. It is shocking that he's here talking about how Jewish community discussing on how to protect the mother their land, whereas where you are now, you don't do anything about protection. And their group are the first to ask you, ask Ngozi, how Ngozi is protecting your land. The same thing they asked when they tried to, destroy everything, when they started destroying it though. When they said this famous comment of Sonat Barawa, Betty Ford, and Nkere group, saying that we told even the Royals, they want to have their account Royals. If they got asking, because I stopped Biafran army from working because I want, so that telling us to bring his army to protect the land. And that was the time Asad Dokupo we were busy buying people in Imo State. I'm gonna end it here. All right, what he's saying here is all about donate, nothing more.
For our various meetings and celebrated and popped champagne. Bring that to your government, Biafra Republic government.
Please make sure you like the video and tell me what you think about all we discussed so far. I can't wait to read from you. God bless you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.